Log in to your LinkedIn account. Open the Social Media Posts, the 1 Hour Workweek Google document in another tab. Choose any of the posts under the LinkedIn Post category. Scroll down the pages under the LinkedIn category and use the posts where you see an attached image that says Download Image. Click this link to retrieve the image that is redirected from our Dropbox account. Click on Start a Post to share posts. Copy and add the image. Copy and paste the post text with the hashtags to gain maximum benefit when posting. Don't forget to connect your personal affiliate link to these posts so that you receive credit for all prospects who become active members. Important: make sure you remove the bracket when you insert your affiliate link. Your post will not function properly if you don't. Click the Post button to share it to your profile. Note: show the post and the image on your social media page to show what it looks like. Click the link to show that it works to redirect to our website homepage.